Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on any more videos. Today I am doing a try-on first impressions kind of thing. I recently purchased a lot of makeup because I've been traveling a lot, so I decided to try it all out. It's mostly drugstore. I don't have like one product of each category for my face to try out, but I do try out a lot, so if you guys are interested in seeing my first impressions on some really good, affordable products, hopefully, then make sure to keep watching. Now, I'm going with this super interesting product that I got from NYX. This is like the weirdest thing. This is the Bad Blood eye gloss, so this is basically an eye gloss. Oh, it's sealed. It doesn't really look like an eye gloss to me. It looks more of like an eyeliner. It doesn't look really glossy, but oh. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna apply it first with my finger, and then I'm gonna like buff it out with a brush to like blend out the edges, and that's gonna be the shadow for today. It's gonna be very, very simple. So it isn't blending as great as I thought it would be. It's looking pretty bad right now, but let's try and fix this. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm loving this or I'm hating it. It is quite messy, very grungy. It is glossy. It's not as like pigmented as it looks here. It kind of shears out a little, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll see what's happened. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's gonna get. It looks super messy, but I think that's sort of the look, kind of grunge, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the lower lash line with the same brush. I'm just gonna pinch it and apply a little bit to the lower lashes. Hopefully this works out. Okay, so this product is definitely, it's upside down. It's definitely weird. Not for everyone. It doesn't look great right now, but I think I can make it work. It's really grungy. I'm into it. It's like a basically colored eye gloss. You can put it on top of like makeup you already have on, like grungy eyeshadows, just to make this a lot more grungy. You can do that. I love the color. I need to play with this a little bit more, but so far I think for what it's actually, you know, its purpose is to be glossy and grungy and messy, and if you're not into that, then maybe you won't like this, but I think it is a really good product because it does exactly what it says it'll do. It's messy, but I kind of dig it. I don't know why. Okay, now I don't have any like new eyeliners and stuff, so I'm just gonna go in with my new Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. I used this already in a video, but it's really new to me and I am digging it so far, so we're just going to apply this and yeah. Next, I have these NYX eyebrow marker in Deep. I primarily got this to like fill in my moles because I like how that looks, but we're gonna try it out for the eyebrows. I've never used an eyebrow pen before, so that is gonna be an experience. We're gonna try it right now, so wish me luck. Interesting. So I like the felt tip on this, not my favorite for the actual brows. It was a little hard for me, not deep enough I think, but I think it's going to be just perfect to fill in my molds whenever I'm done with my makeup, so I'm going to use it for that as well. And now I'm going to set my brows with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara in, what is this shade? Dark Brunette. This is really good. I think it's really good. It's really easy to use and I like it. So after we are done filling in our brows, it is time to move on to the face. It was a really simple eye look with a product that wasn't super simple to use, but we're going to move on now to the face. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Hey, moving on to the face, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. It looks like this. It's nothing new. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face. This is really soothing, calming, and easy to apply when you already have makeup on. Very hydrating as well. For foundation, I got the new Maybelline, well, that's French. What is this? Maybelline New York Super Stay Foundation. I got this Maybelline New York Super Stay Foundation, and if it would love to focus, I'm gonna put this on my face. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just gonna shake this and I'm gonna put it on with a beauty blender. I've heard really great reviews about this, so hopefully it matches me well. Oh my god, this has a pump! I'm gonna do 1 and 2 pumps. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a little too dark for me. Such is life, man. This is gonna be really dark for me. Okay. We're just gonna have to make it work. Okay, let's do it. It is really full coverage, that I will say. Despite the color not being my shade, this is really high coverage. And it feels really good. It doesn't feel super heavy or tacky. But yeah, it's not my color at all. I look pretty orange right now. I am sorry. I really don't know how to shade match, guys. Like, I'm bad at it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 2W. This is the only non-drugstore product that I'm going to use today because it is also new. And I also wanted to, like, try it out. So yeah, we're gonna be using this today. Okay, so the rest of the sun is still not coming out, but I did the rest of my cheeks. I did a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush with shimmer on it, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter. I am using the e.l.f. highlighting stick, and this is in Dewy. This is basically just like dew, like. It doesn't really have any shimmer, that's why I applied like a shimmery blush, because this is just like a topper, I would say, so you can top it off to make anything look super wet but not uncomfortable. I'm just gonna go in with my finger, warm up a little bit of that product, and then I'm gonna hit the high points. Oh yeah, and this just elevates the look, you know what I'm saying? Makes it look more natural. I don't know how good it'll be on top of so much makeup. I definitely recommend you using it on days when you're not wearing a super full coverage I recommend you use it on days that you're not going to wear a lot of makeup. Unlike me, I'm just going to be keeping this for a short amount of time, but if you want to use this a lot more, don't apply a ton of makeup on your face because this could like move it around, melt it off. You never know. After we do that, it is time for the lips. I have 2 of the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And I have them in Bear With Me, which is a little bit more rosy nude. And then I have it in Tulip Treatment, which is a little bit pinkier. I think I'm going to go with the nudier on these lips, and a lot of people talk about these, so hopefully they're really good. They feel really lightweight when I apply them, so I guess that is a good thing. This color is very pretty. The application is a little bit bad, but that's just me because the applicator is like really this like super cute applicator, and it is very comfortable on my lips. It doesn't feel sticky and it looks really nice, so yeah, I'm digging this. Okay, so final verdict. I really enjoyed everything that I tried. The foundation, I don't know why it's looking so washed out right now. In person, it looks a little bit too dark for me, but it is really full coverage, a little bit hard to blend, but it looks really great on the skin. And if you're into full coverage but you don't want to spend a ton of money, I think you should get this. It's really, really, really nice. And I also really, really loved the e.l.f. highlighting stick. I think it's really, really good. And I really, despite what it looks like, I really, really like the NYX eye gloss because it's an eye gloss. It's bound to crease and look messy, but I really like the look that it gives me. It's like super messy, super easy. I still need to play with it to learn how to work with it, but I think it was really, really good. The mascara is awesome as well. The brow products are great. So all in all, I think this was a really, really nice. Yeah, turned out really, really good. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. It gives me feedback on what you guys want to see and what you don't. And if there are any other videos that you guys would love to see, then make sure to let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!